Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and hide your location on Craigslist when you post an ad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going ahead and opening up craigslist.org. So once you have opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started accessing our location at the top of the screen if it is not already automatically selected. And now what we want to do is go ahead and check out our account tab right here in the upper right corner. You can go and log into your account that you can use for posting ads. Now guys, what you want to keep in mind is opening up the settings option is going to enable you to take a look at your basic settings. As you can see, there is no option to manage your address. This is because Craigslist does not use directly your address, so you are always safe from that. What you want to do once you're posting an ad, let's click post an ad and select what we are offering. And once you select an ad you want to post, as you can see, you can select the city or neighborhood it's based on, and you can give the zip code right here as well. What you want to do is never enter in any personal info such as your location and so on, and this is never going to be available to people that are messaging you. They're never going to know your location if you do not directly put it in your ad or you say where you're from. It's always going to remain anonymous, and this is one of the best parts of Craigslist because nobody knows where you are and you can post listings wherever you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.